Ever heard of straight weight oils like SAE 30 or SAE 40? You don't see them often these days, but they used to be the standard. These oils have only one viscosity rating. SAE 30, for example, stays that thick whether it's hot or cold. Unlike modern multigrade oils, like 10W30, straight weights don't adapt to temperature changes. When were they used? Straight weight oils were widely used in older engines, especially in consistent climates or machinery like lawn equipment and generators. Back then, engines were designed with looser tolerances, and multigrade oils hadn't yet become mainstream. Why they're rare today. Today's engines are engineered for efficiency, with tight tolerances that demand oil to flow well during cold starts and still protect under heat. Multigrade oils give you both: thin flow when cold, thick protection when hot. Straight weight just can't compete. Unless your manual specifically calls for it, you probably don't need straight weight oil anymore. Quick recap. Straight weight oils serve their time, but for most engines today, multigrade is the smarter, safer choice. Stay sharp under the hood and don't get stuck in the past. See you next time.